Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to develop high-income skills. In our previous video, we went over the top 7 high-income skills to learn at the moment. That includes IT consulting, sales, digital marketing, copywriting, web design, SEO, and trade skills. Now I'm going to show you how you can easily develop these skills and become a high-income earner. There are a couple of ways you can learn and develop a high-income skill. Here are some of the best ways to start learning. Number 1, utilize YouTube and other free resources. There are YouTube dedicated to everything from software engineering to carpentry to sales skills. While not everyone sharing information on the platform is an expert worth trusting, many are. You can find great content on YouTube that's 100% free if you spend enough time looking. Just do your research and find 2 to 3 great people to follow. You don't need more than that. After consuming a lot of free content, you may decide to invest in one of these content creators' paid courses, if they offer one. We'll talk about that next. Number 2, invest in a paid course. There's a lot of free information on the web, and some of it is quite good. But at a certain point, you may feel that you need to invest in a paid course in order to take your skills to the next level. I recommend getting familiar with the free content of a few experts you like in the field, and investing in a paid course only after you've found someone whose teaching style you like. But if you do enjoy someone's free content and they have a paid course that looks like it teaches what you're trying to learn, this could be a great investment and can help you build your high-income skill much faster. Time is money, so if you spend $999 on a course, but it gets you to the point where you can make money with your skills faster, then it may be worth it. Number 4, take formal classes. If you want to learn a trade, it's probably worth enrolling in a trade school. If you want to learn software engineering and have no background in computer science, the fastest route is to join a coding bootcamp, where you'll rush through a ton of information and knowledge in approximately 12 weeks, usually getting you proficient in a particular programming language like Ruby. So, for some of the skills mentioned above, taking a formal class at a school that specializes in teaching that field is a good option. Number 4, find a mentor. Another thing that you can do to accelerate your learning and greatly boost your chances of success, find a mentor. Starting out on your own is tough in any field. Having someone to give you a blueprint to follow, warn you about common mistakes, and other encouragements will make a huge difference in your success. In fact, just being in touch with someone who you know succeeded in your field is encouraging and forces you to avoid excuses like, maybe this just isn't a legitimate way to make money. So always look to find a mentor. Number 5, find an internship or job. Your long-term dream may be entrepreneurship, freelancing, consulting, or building an agency. But in the short term, one of the best ways to continue building your high-income skill is to take a job in the field or go find an internship. Sure, getting a job for 1 to 2 years might not be your dream if you want to be self-employed eventually, but you'll be getting paid to learn, and you will have enough experience and enough capital to start your own business when you are ready. So, this completes the list of 5 ways to easily develop high-income skills. And if you're looking to become a high-income earner, you can sign up for the Salesforce Business Analyst tutorial by clicking on the link in the description below. See you in the next video, and until then, keep smiling. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.